Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an all-day clean with me because let me tell you, my house is an extreme disaster over the weekend. It was my son's birthday and we didn't really do anything all weekend except for go out and just kind of have some fun. So now I pay the piper and I gotta get everything done. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. The first thing I'm going to do in my day is some laundry. I went to Meijer and got this Meijer EcoWise lavender laundry detergent, which I love the smell of lavender. I've never tried this kind before, so I thought I would test it out. I think this would go really good with the lavender and vanilla orchid fabric softener that I always get. This is hands down one of my favorite scents for laundry. I am really picky with scents. I don't like things that have heavy scents, but you know, lavender is just so calming.
We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
Alright, I think it's time for some wine. Just kidding, I'm just gonna put the wine glasses away for now. I'm not a morning wine drinker. Nothing wrong with that though. Speaking of wine, me and my husband actually got a couple of different wine bottles over the weekends. This one is called Freak Show. We've actually had it before and it's really, really good. Anyway, I just put a little bit of coconut milk inside of my coffee, and then I don't know if any of you do this, but I like to put a dollop of Cool Whip or just a swirl of whipped cream inside of my coffee, since I do not like to put sugar inside of my coffee. So now that I have my coffee set, I'm going to tackle the dishes first, because this is one of the most tedious and things that I find hardest to do for whatever reason. Whenever I see a sink full of dishes or dishes all around me, it overwhelms me. So I try to get them done and just out of the way so that I have more motivation to just keep going and handle the rest of my kitchen. Now this got dirty from Gideon's birthday party. This is where I put the cake on top of. I just didn't get a chance to clean it yet. Now I do have a dishwasher. It's one of those portable ones that you can roll over to the sink. However, I don't know what's been going on with it lately. It hasn't been working. It will start to wash and then during the rinse it won't drain, and I've tried several things, but I think what it comes down to is it's blocked somewhere in the hose, and that could take either a lot of work, it could be really messy, or we might have to get a professional to come check so we don't end up accidentally breaking it more. We're not sure what we're going to do with it yet. So, hand washing it is. This is actually one of my favorite plates. I got it at Goodwill. It says autumn is a golden time, enjoy it, and it has two little girls playing in the woods during autumn time, and I love the fall time so much, and my daughter's middle name was Autumn, so I decided to get it for her when she was like 1 or 2. I thought it just fit perfectly together.
Nobody got the magic touch. How you make my heart
the town and not the bed. And no matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah. I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
Trees are dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
This is really heavy. Over the weekend, my husband got a bunch of beer. I don't know why, because every time we get one of these really big cases, it lasts us a really long time, like over a month, probably up to like the 3-month mark. And he got 2 of them, and then plus the wine. I think he was like in a celebratory mood. He's been working a lot of overtime. But yeah, it's heavy, and I tasted one of them and it's actually pretty good. A little bit sweet. It's like cherry beer. It's kind of weird, but it's all right. Now I'm working on the recycling. I usually try to get paper bags from grocery stores instead of the plastic bags because then I can reuse them for the recycling bag, but this time around when I was at the grocery store, I didn't end up grabbing any.
Bringing life to others, but I still don't know what else to seek but your smile in the morning hours.
This is a portable blender that I got from a company from Amazon to test out. I haven't gotten a chance to use it yet. It looks really, really nice. I just don't know how it functions. Once I do, I will definitely let you guys know. These are some old ribs from the other week when I was meal prepping. However, I haven't cleaned out the fridge in forever and I accidentally tucked these into the back. We forgot all about them and they went bad. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but when we don't clean out our fridge, it happens frequently. We end up wasting food and then we get really upset because, you know, it's wasted money that we could have saved for future meals. But it is what it is, and you guys can count on a fridge cleaning video coming really soon. Since my husband didn't bring these K-cups home in a box, I'm going to have to try to find some room on the pantry for them and maybe just try to stack them up a little bit neatly.
If I could hear my father's
This is the kids' little egg timer. They love this thing. We usually use it for things like reading time or bedtime when they're brushing their teeth so that they know exactly how long they have to brush. And then we just set the little time on there and then it dings, and I don't know, they just have a lot of fun with it.
time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. And I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about
I swear I am always finding socks everywhere, and my husband is just as bad as my kids. Leave a comment down below if your husband is super messy like your kids, or if he's a neat freak and needs to have everything spit spot and cleans himself.
Call it off and don't look back. Take me off this lonely track. All my worries of yesterday, I can't seem to get.
Oh, I just thought about how funny this might look to you guys. I don't know if I've ever explained this in my other videos, but we stack our TV on top of all these books, primarily because this TV doesn't belong in this room. This was our bedroom TV. We just put it out here because our bigger TV for our living room is not working, and it doesn't fit on this mount that sits behind it. It won't screw in properly, so we needed a place for it, and it's so low that we decided to elevate it with Ben's school books until we get our other TV back.
We were just kids in love. I gave you the best of me, and all I was asking of you was to never break it. Every night
Now while the floor is drying and before I do my second round of dishes, I'm going to go ahead and go downstairs and switch the loads over. That way my clothes are drying while I'm doing the dishes.
Quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast. I need something to last and give satisfaction, no.
So this is pretty much the end result. It's a whole lot cleaner than it was. Not everything got cleaned up. There are some areas in the sink that I still have to do. But overall, I'm happy with all the stuff that I was able to get cleaned today. If you guys like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It means a lot to little channels like mine. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Now I'm going to enjoy some wine and this very delicious looking cupcake that my husband brought home for me. I'm very excited about that. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye!